firstly you need about 20 medium-sized peeled prawns, then some black pepper, some white pepper, some lemon juice, some salt and some garlic powder. You have to marinate the prawns. So firstly you put in the lemon juice. So we're going to put in 2 teaspoons. Then we can add in a pinch of white pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and some garlic powder, half a teaspoon.
If you put these prawns on a normal grill, there's a high risk of it falling into the coal. You simply just close this and there you have it. Now your prawns are not going to fall off. Flip it every couple of minutes just to see how it's cooking. So when your prawns change color like this, then you know it's time to take them off.